squirrels are jumping, little acrobats preparing for winter. We wear comfy sweaters, we cuddle together to keep out the cold while the clouds linger. Turn on the heating, make sure we stay inside these walls. But here's the best part.